Capcotech Military Robotics UGV-SROG-5, also known as the first Filipino-made outrigger SROG-5 roving power station unmanned ground vehicle from Puteros Solar Rev City, Philippines. Privately funded by Capcotech Chief Technologist Giancarlo Capco, this UGV is already featured at Army Recognition International and at the Arms Corps Tactical Survival and Arms Expo.
Pwede pala. Kung pwede rin na i-open nga, kumita. Shotgun. Ngayon, kung pwede rin sila, meron kasing balay yung shotgun, na hindi sila sa tulong ng makita. Pwede rin naman ito. Minsan, ang sabi, nakahawakan, nagigit portable siya. Pwede rin halimbawa yan, hindi lang pinalawak ng batas, o kaya, ano bang bagay ng projectile na lumilipat na meron power o lakas projectile. Basic discharge well means expansive force of gases from burning gunpowder, karang ibang gunpowder na nasusunod at meron so hirap palakas.